cry. You can't play with her while you're feeding her. Look, she's gonna cry.
Tyler, you a little clown?
You have to pay attention. Look, you're making her cry. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's only us. Back to basics. Say morning, fam bam.
Morning.
Tyler. Faves. You guys, it's back to us. Just us. Sorry, sleeping. Let's see if you guys can see her in this mirror. There she is. It's a new day. It feels
Different.
It feels different without having all the family around, but it's good to be back to our normal routine and back to our what should I say, back to our normalcy.
1 week.
Yeah. Tyler will be going back to school next week. I have another visitor coming next week, but you guys will have to wait to see who that visitor will be, which is gonna be good. It will be a different type of visit from our previous family visit. Yeah, but hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys will enjoy all the vlogs to come. We miss you guys, just us. We miss you guys. Right now we are on our way to do our supermarket shopping for the week.
It's like when we come back from vacation.
Yeah, it feels that way, like the house empty.
You have to clean everything, so we spent all morning. I mean, yesterday plus today, since morning, we were only cleaning.
And
now
we're still not finished.
Pull back the fridge. It's like if you was just on vacation.
Yeah. We've been cleaning all morning. We said morning, good afternoon, and good night because we don't know what time of the day you guys are watching, and you know that's how we normally greet you guys, but it's actually afternoon right now because we spent all morning just cleaning, and we're still not done. We still have 2 rooms to go to finish cleaning.
It's my room and my sister's room.
Your sister room already clean, but your room not clean yet, and mama and papa room is not clean yet. So we have 2 rooms to go and stuff like that, but we'll get there slowly but surely. I talked to my cousin Tyler. I'm talking, you wait until I'm finished. I talked to my cousins this morning and they reach home safely, so thank God for that. Everybody's back into their routine, and you know, she's doing the same as me, cleaning. Maria says she's been cleaning non-stop, and she did supermarket shopping and all that good stuff, but everybody is doing well and everybody got back home safely, so that's amazing. Anyway, you guys enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Go about your day being positive, healthy, motivated to do whatever it is that you guys set out to accomplish today. Love you guys, and we'll catch you guys along the day. Tyler, what you wanted to say? You know,
my room and you and Papa room with me.
yes. Tyler is rocking his Jamaica shirt today. It's the first he's wearing this shirt. You look cool, Ty.
Thank you.
He's a cool guy.
He's a cool dude. You guys will see a up close and personal of Sarah when we get to our destination. Who's that sleeping away? She's sleeping as usual. Fatty boom boom. from the supermarket and tell her what we're gonna do.
To the supermarket, but you know what, Mama?
What?
When we finish, I want to play a game for my birthday game.
Okay, we'll do that. All right, let's do the haul quick. What is this?
Cereal, and I love that one, but this time I like it with a little milk, Mama.
All right, we'll do that when you're ready for it. All right, let's show them what else we got.
A lot of water.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of water. We have
Sarah sound like she about to wake up for food.
Sausage.
For what?
This is nuggets and sausage.
This is not nuggets, it's sausage for dinner. That's gonna be dinner, okay?
But I want the nuggets.
So
Okay,
if
we're gonna
nuggets
add
you
some
want, we'll do nuggets for
dinner.
you. Okay? All right, show them what else
What
is in
is
the...
that?
Pepper.
Is tennis ball?
No, it's not the pepper. Yeah.
Oh, and what is that? Tyler have black teeth, so we have to brush Tyler teeth.
No.
Don't hold on to the drawer.
That's a pumpkin.
No.
Tyler, let go of the
That's
drawer.
pumpkin.
That's funky.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yes, it is pumpkin. That's
And
why
this
Mama
is
call you
what?
pumpkin.
How is this funky?
It is pumpkin, just like how Mama call you
What is that?
pumpkin.
How you call that?
I don't know.
You
It's
don't know?
garlic.
It's garlic.
Garlic.
Yeah. Take the toothbrush, some butter. That for toast, for Mama toast.
No,
Yes, Mama toast. Not Tyler toast, Mama toast.
it's for
Mama want butter on
It's
top.
for me and to
Oh,
cook.
this is for mosquitoes. So mosquitoes.
Yeah, we have
Don't
lots
bite
of mosquito
Tyler.
here in summertime. Yeah.
Some Tyler juice.
Yay! I want to drink some.
Wait, when you finish, continue.
Some mini cucumber,
Mm-hmm.
mini cucumber, and mini corn.
Yeah.
Amount
Almond nuts
almond nuts. That's how you call that in English.
and onion and chocolate milk. For who? For my tummy.
For my tummy.
Yes.
Some apple juice. We have to refill apple juice. 3 apple juice. Well, you only see 2, but there's a
All right.
somewhere.
Go show some
We
more.
have made a king size supermarket. Well,
Oh, yeah.
king size
We
supermarket.
did a huge supermarket today.
Garbage bags, sponge. We have sponge here. We have to change them every open.
Yeah.
Some clothes. We do a lot of laundry. Everything laundry. Some chicken breasts. I guess it's for me because babe said that she don't like chicken breast. She said
Yeah.
only
Bone.
trash people eat chicken breast. So I hope you don't eat chicken breast. Well, I eat chicken breast. Fish. You like fish?
Yeah.
Oh, Papa bought a phone. Who's that, Tyler?
Oh,
Fries for who?
Me, I love
This is fries for Richard. If Richard's watching, we say hi, Richard. That's Richard fries.
Richard eats a lot of fries. And if you guys wonder who's Richard, is one of our cousin.
And
Mince.
mint.
Not mint, mince.
Mint. Well, meat.
Chicken.
And chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Another bag. Oh, we have an outside, but we have mosquitoes everywhere, so we decided to try to go these things. Hopefully, it's gonna
Destroy,
work.
yeah.
So, well, we'll try it.
I
and
never
we'll
know I would left Jamaica and still be using destroyer.
see. That's another
Yeah.
mosquito. Because these things work. We've been protected from mosquitoes, and since like 2 days, now
It
it's
finished.
empty and I can feel it.
Yeah, it does work. This one, the plug-in, it
Oh,
really
yeah.
works well.
Some
Yogurt.
yogurt, healthy yogurt for the healthiest person in the house. I'm not gonna tell you who it is. You know, tomatoes and potatoes.
What else is in the
bag?
bag?
Tomatoes and potatoes and tomatoes.
So what you want it to be?
Ah, bananas.
You know what?
What?
That is?
What?
That's
Some
lemon.
You're funny.
Listerine. My family, if you listen to me, that is not the drink. That is only the clean, the rinse, the clean, the cash. And some fresh scents in the house. I guess it's a female thing. Man don't get do that. But that's true.
Okay, what else is in the bag?
Avocado. There's no more space here to put things. Some. I was about to say some bread because it looks bread, but it's carrot.
It's carrot.
It's carrot.
Bread.
Bread, right. Some nice yogurt for Papa.
So my healthy yogurt not nice.
No, no nice. What is that, Tyler?
That's
I'm going to say fish.
sushi.
What is it, Papa funny.
So you know, every time we see different things, we think about a different person. And now because the family just gone, I would have said Kian, I would have said the Mario and all of these.
The Mario and Kian.
Yeah, me in my head is the Mario with all of
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
He eat like 3 hot dog a day.
Three every night.
Ketchup.
Hot dog.
Yeah, ketchup. Good job, Ty.
Some more mosquitoes. Salt, nothing special.
This is the donut for everyone.
Yeah.
Cordon bleu. Cordon bleu. We don't used to get a lot, but when you don't know
Sometimes
what
when
to
you don't want to
cook,
cook,
when
yeah.
you're on the road and
Take the
things,
yogurt from Ty, it's gonna fall.
Donut.
Look, there are some little things remain.
Okay. Just that. What's that?
It's vanilla.
Vanilla for Mama porridge. Mama gonna try the porridge. You got the recipe from Maya?
I don't need a recipe from Marianne.
Let me see.
That's barbecue sauce.
What's the
And cashew
cashew
nuts for Papa. This one is for Papa, the other one is for Mama.
You wish.
I found that one is ketchup.
No, this one is barbecue
Tyler, you
sauce.
say, I thought it was.
All of this
Say, I
is a-
thought, not I
all of
felt.
this
I
is a
thought.
resume of our morning. So our morning was washing clothes, washing floor and bathroom, washing bathroom, washing
White clothes
Everything.
and everything else.
and washing,
Sanitizing.
sanitizing everything. That was morning and
Yeah.
yeah. So guys, that was done for today. That was one of the huge one we have
supermarket
done.
haul. We haven't done this
But
big supermarket
Huge
in
for
forever.
us and small for others.
That's true. So that's it for the supermarket haul for today, you guys. There we go with everything. Now we're going to hunt food and relax, right? And play game.
Nah,
We're not gonna play game.
what we are gonna do first?
We're gonna look food first.
I don't want to look for.
Okay, Mama gonna look the food and then you're gonna eat it. All right, run along.
No, I don't want to.
You have to eat. Go to your room until I'm ready. And my girl's still sleeping. I'm gonna pick her up now, put her in the bed. But
Hey guys, well, the supermarket is done. We just come back home, finish to pack everything and making dinner. That's gonna be the nice dinner. That looks yummy, 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 yummy in my tummy. And some fries. You want fries?
Yeah.
You're gonna eat fries outside?
Yeah.
Okay, go sit here. And that's to make us wait. Happy Saturday. Hi guys. Well, it's the end of the day. Dinner was great. Everybody enjoy. It's kind of late and Sarah is about to go get her bottle. And somebody wanted to give her the bottle for the first time. So let's see what's going on.
Look, you have to pay attention.
Tyler that hold the bottle?
Hold it properly. Just hold it. You don't push it. Just hold it here, okay? Wait.
You excited, Tyler?
Come. Come, Ty.
Go!
Sit up. You have to look what you're doing.
What?
Ty, you can't play with her while you're feeding her. Look, she's gonna cry.
Tyler, you a little clown?
You have to pay attention. Look, you're making her cry.
Mama.
Yeah, you're so funny. Sarah's her brother is a clown. Brother, what are you doing?
Alright, Tyler, you say night night?
Alright, so night night to the face.
Night, only face.
What you supposed What you supposed to say? Cat,
Tell face to watch.
what they need to do?
What's our baby do to catch up pizza?
And what else?
And good night, good morning.
And we see them when?
Today.
You're a little clown.
You're a little clown.
Nobody am not.
You are so funny.
Nobody am not.
Alright guys, so this first one was this first one was a fail.
Feeding fail.
Feeding fail already. You're gonna kill his dad now. Have a good night. Catch up and keep up.
Bye guys. See you guys tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow.